don't waste your life. You know, it's so easy to do things over and over and over in the same way that you used to. And one of the things that we do over and over and over and over that's wasting our life is to hold on to stuff that is stealing our lives. We hold on to things that really will serve us to let go of. Ask yourself today, you know, there's a law in the universe of impermanence. Everything is fleeting, everything is transitionary. So nothing stays permanently. And if you're holding on to something that's stealing your life, you're holding on to something because you're looking for it to be permanent, don't waste your life. What can you do that is new and fresh? What can you do that is going to support you to do something in a different way? What can you do that's exciting, that is going to make life feel all fresh and new again? Have you thought about that? When last did you sit down and do a bit of a stock take? And just look at, what have I been holding on to just today? Maybe the fact that someone wasn't going to phone, or that something was not going to work out, or that there wasn't going to be enough time, or that you didn't have in what it takes to learn a new skill, or that you were going to fail, or that somebody might think that you're stupid and you don't know what you're doing. You must always remember that the most wonderful thing about life is that it always affords us new things, new beginnings. Every morning when you wake up, it's a new day. And if you think about it, if you really, really want to accept how it works here, every day that you live is a full life. You've lived this full life, completely and utterly full life. So now what you can do every morning when you wake up is, first of all, give yourself permission to let go of the things that you can't change. The things that, if you can do something about it, then set out in your day to do something about it. If you cannot do something about it, then let it go. Because then it's not going to help to sit and hold on to it, because then you're wasting your life. What are you holding on to that is stealing your life away from you?